What's going on, guys? Today I'll be showing you how to replace the battery of the remote control of a 2017 Honda Pilot. So this basically it is. Then the first step will be removing the key. Ta-da! There. And then we're gonna access the battery inside. What you're gonna do is use the tip of the key to pry like that. Pry the case. Yeah. Then you can access the battery. Yeah, there you go. So the battery is CR2032. So I have a new one here from Energizer. So just flip it up. There. And then put the new one. There, and then put it back. Oops. There we go. And put the key back. That's it. So that's it. So it's an easy way, easy procedure, and it's ready for another like 2 years, something like that. Already. Thank you for watching, guys.